Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can add an emoji to your Canva design. As you can see here, I have this text and also there is this emoji icon. And surprisingly, there are multiple ways you could insert emojis to your Canva design. So the first method is, I think, the easiest because you don't have to install any third-party app. So what you need to do now is you have to right-click on a text box. I'm going to add another line. I'm going to right-click here, click emoji, and then you can select emoji that you want. So this is a feature that is available in browser or in the operating system, and you can find all sort of emojis. You can also use the search feature to find the emoji that you want to use, and you just need to click on one of them and that emoji will be inserted to your design. So that is one simple way to do that, and I do recommend to use this method. Another less sophisticated method is by using graphics or photo that is available in the Canva stock library. Just go to elements and you can use the keyword like emoji, and you should be able to find tons of options in graphics, and also you can find some options in the photo section. It's very similar, but photo is usually going to give you this kind of design. So yeah, that's the second option. The third option is, I guess you already know what I'm heading, which is the emoji app from Canva. So if you see this option, you could also click use app and it will launch you to the emoji app by Canva. Or you can also go to this apps menu and then search for emoji. Regardless, you can open the app from here and it will display tons of emojis from Canva, which honestly just the same as the one that I have explained for the first method. Yeah, it's pretty much the same, but perhaps if you are much more interested in using this method, then yeah, you can give it a try. So anyway, that's basically how you can insert emojis to your Canva design.